Oh my god! Soft and massage. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, we're gonna unbox this Aquapick cordless water flosser. So yes, it's literally inside the box. This was actually sent to me by a Shopee seller based in South Korea. And yeah, I'm really grateful they sent me this. Of course, I'm gonna give you guys my honest review when using this product later on when I use it at night, during my night routine. So yeah, I'm gonna open it with you guys. Okay, I'm ready. So I have this. Okay.
I didn't think it'd be this hard to go and try to let you down. At first, for sure, we saw forever and the distance, but the path of least resistance is the one where I don't see you anymore. And yes, I'm sure about my choices. I don't need you to take me home.
And there's a pouch.
And though for sure the bed is warmer by your side, oh please, baby, babe, I've tried. You're not the one I thought that you were gonna be. I got you singing, ooh, I got the blues. I got you singing, ooh, I don't know what to do without you, baby. Ooh, you got the blues. And even though your heart is breaking, I got another man who loves to make me smile. So can you just get up and go? Oh, you say the best I've ever had, I won't be bad, you drive me mad. I don't believe you when you say I'm gonna change. It's not that you can't break it down. It's just you didn't love me.
Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you guys the parts of this cordless water flosser. Oh, the parts. So first, this is the jet tip. So this is what you like that. I know you can buy this separately if ever you want a new one. I'm gonna link it down below, the one I'm gonna show today. If this is the jet tip, this is the jet tip button. This is where you can remove it or when you put it. So you press this when you want to remove it or when you want to put it back. And as you can see, this button here is the power button, like that. And look, it's fully charged. It's colored green. So I'm gonna turn it off so that you can hear me. So there are 3 modes: clean, soft, and massage. So if you want to switch between modes, just press it 3 times. So clean, soft, massage. There, and then press it again to turn it off. Okay, so at the back, this is the water tank. So you can actually remove this. What you have to do is to slide it. There you go. Alright, so this is the water tank ring. You can add water here, or if you don't want to remove it, you can put water here. This is called the water tank cap. Again, like I showed you a while ago, you just have to remove it like that and put water inside. Like that. And close it. I'm gonna try it later if it's sealed or not. So yeah. Okay, so at the back, this is the filter, this circle thing, and the suction tube. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. It's really easy to, to navigate this. So again, just put it back and snap it like that. Alright, so yeah, so that is the parts of this cordless water flosser. Okay, so now let's try if the charger works. I'm gonna try this. Okay, so I already plugged this and now I'm gonna put this here. So as you can see, the green is steady because it is fully charged. But if it is blinking, it means that it is still charging. So that is how you will know if it is fully charged or not. If it's below 10%, it will be in color red. So yeah. And also, it says in the manual that it takes 24 hours to fully charge this water flosser. So if ever you're gonna use this, just make sure of the battery indicator if it is blinking or not. So if it is blinking, you need to charge it already. Okay? Okay, so as for the features of the product, first, it's excellent for preventing tooth decay. Second, it's powerful pulsating water pressure injection. Third is fine removal of debris between orthodontic devices. Fourth is customized in 3 cleaning modes. So you have the clean, soft, and massage. Fifth, charging method is safe when wet. Sixth is ergonomic design for maximum effectiveness. And lastly, it's very convenient to use because of the large water tank. So if ever you're curious about the product weight, it's 280 grams. And as for the charger, It's compatible with worldwide voltage, so that's 110 to 230. So again, as for my first impression of this product, it's really good. It's wrapped properly. The box is not damaged, as well as its products. It's really good. It's working. The product and of course the charger. It comes with a manual, and of course it comes with a pouch. And also they gave me freebies. So yeah, if ever you're curious, you can buy this in Shopee. I'm gonna link it below on the description box. So now I'm gonna change into my nightwear because I'm gonna use this product and test it for you guys. So yeah. Hi everyone! I changed into my PJs. Wait. It's matchy. It's from Uniqlo. And yeah, I'm here in my dad's restroom. Actually, because it's bigger. And I'm sorry if you can hear the fan. It's really hot. So, okay, I'm just gonna put my hair back like this so that, you know, it will not get in the way when I use the water flosser. It's clip. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so a while ago I ate Oreo and it's really good. And so yeah, I just want to test this water flosser. Okay, so what my routine is, I use my electric toothbrush. Yes, it's rechargeable as well. It's from Oral-B. And yeah, it's like this. There, like that. And then after I use this, of course, I use the floss. However, according to a journal of periodontology, researchers have found that flossing before brushing may be the ideal sequence for the most thorough removal of dental plaque. So comment down below if you brush first before flossing or you floss first before brushing. So again, instead of using this, I'm gonna use this, and I think it's really better. And actually my concern is this, like it gets tighter when you're using the floss. So you know, when you roll it, it's too tight, it turns purple sometimes. So after that, after I use the floss, I gargle. So this one, use this one. Okay, so before we start, I have a tomato here because I want to test out how powerful this is. Like when you, like again, there are 3 modes, right? So I want to test how powerful they are. Because of course, we don't want it to be too powerful because it might damage our gums. So yeah, you should take note of that when buying. So I'm gonna add water here. So let's check if it will not leak. Alright, let's fill it up. Okay, close it. Oh, let's see. Alright, very good. There's no leak. Look at that. So now let's try the first mode. Wait. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait. It went over there. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so powerful. Okay, let me just try. Clean, soft, and massage. Ooh. Okay, and now let's see. And the tomato, it's not broken. It's just the right amount of pressure. It didn't break or anything like the surface. So that's a good one. But look, it's so messy. Like there's water everywhere. Let me just wipe. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to use this one. Whoa! It's so good. Okay, so I'm done using this Aquapick Cordless Water Flosser, and wow, it's really nice. It's a good alternative and it's environmentally friendly because you're only using water and it's rechargeable. Also, what I can advise to you guys, if ever you're gonna use this, make sure that you turn it on while it's already inside your mouth, or else you're gonna splash water everywhere like what you saw a while ago, like what happened to me. So yeah, I had to clean everything. And you can control the mode. So again, the 3 modes are clean, soft, and massage, and I like the massage more because it's pulsating like that, and I control, like I can switch it like that. And make sure, like according to the manual, it should be 90 degrees. So like that, like that. Anyways, to clean this, just have to use a tissue or towel just to wipe off the excess water. Lastly, this product is really good if you have braces. Like for me, I wish that when I had braces before, I had this product already because it's really useful, especially when the food is stuck in your braces, which happens all the time because of course you have braces. So yeah, it's really good and useful, and it's easier to clean your teeth with this one. So yeah, thank you so much Urban Ground again for sending me these, and I hope you guys like my review. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!